Yes, alcohol rehab expenses can be tax deductible in certain situations. To qualify for a tax deduction, the rehab costs must meet specific criteria outlined by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, in the United States. Here are the key points to consider. Medical necessity. The IRS allows deductions for medical expenses that are necessary to treat a specific medical condition. If a healthcare professional determines that alcohol rehab is medically necessary to address an individual's alcohol dependency or addiction, the expenses may be deductible. Itemized deductions. To claim a deduction for alcohol rehab, you must itemize your deductions on your federal income tax return using Schedule A, Form 1040. This means you'll need to forego the standard deduction and keep detailed records of your medical expenses. Eligible expenses. You can deduct not only the costs directly related to the rehab program, but also expenses like transportation to and from the facility, meals during treatment if provided by the facility, and lodging if the treatment center is far from your home. Threshold. Medical expenses are subject to a threshold. In 2022, you can only deduct the portion of your total medical expenses that exceeds 7.5% of your adjusted gross income, AGI. So if your AGI is $50,000, you can deduct medical expenses that exceed $3,750. Documentation. Proper documentation is crucial. Keep records of all expenses related to alcohol rehab, including bills, receipts, and a letter from a healthcare provider confirming the medical necessity of the treatment. Insurance reimbursements. If your health insurance reimburses you for any part of the rehab costs, you can only deduct the portion that was not covered by insurance. State laws. State tax laws may vary, so it's essential to check with your state's tax agency for specific guidelines on deducting rehab expenses. In summary, alcohol rehab expenses can be tax deductible if they meet the IRS criteria for medical necessity and exceed the applicable threshold. However, it's crucial to consult with a tax professional or accountant to ensure compliance with the most up-to-date tax regulations and to maximize your potential deductions.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.